Now, startups in advanced manufacturing and green innovations here in Singapore have seen an increase in investments by at least 40% from last year. The data from Enterprise Singapore shows that these firms, known here as deep tech startups, they are catching the attention of venture capitalists. Michelle Teo reports.
Turning crash to cash, Singaporean startup EcoWorth transforms organic materials like husks or cotton into a sponge-like material, which helps to filter wastewater from industrial production lines. The material is also able to extract other organic secretions.
Other applications that we're looking at is taking up in the food waste oil and maybe help to convert that into a fertilizer or biofuel. We've also gotten interest to put this into cosmetics. So we've recently won the L'Oreal Challenge, where we were working with L'Oreal to incorporate it into face masks.
An invention like such is defined as a deep tech. Such companies are defined as firms that are founded on a scientific discovery or create meaningful engineering innovation. The VCs CNA interviewed say deep tech startups are a standout feature found in Singapore.
Singaporeans have been living in a very online and tech society. So they're able to think about the next big thing, not only in Singapore and Southeast Asia, but also globally, which, puts them ahead of their peers in other countries.
Deep tech is something that is built on proprietary new research involving intellectual property, truly something new. It's not deep tech if you utilize existing AI algorithms in a new field, for example, but you truly need to build business out of existing research.
According to Enterprise Singapore, in the first 3 quarters of 2019, 416.4 million Singapore dollars went to companies tackling challenges in advanced manufacturing, urbanization and sustainability, and healthcare and biomedical sciences. But there are certain limitations for companies to be deep tech, as intensive research is needed to qualify.
Giants like Google and Facebook are opening up a lot of tech libraries that before no normal startup could ever access. So the barrier to entry for a lot of tech startups has been lowered by that. With that being available to a new generation of smart people, students or researchers, you will see massive, interesting, I think, companies coming out in those fields.
For one VC, it's already paired with institutions of higher learning, such as the National University of Singapore, for a program to incubate and invest in founders.
The idea is to get the top researchers, postdocs from NUS, who have existing research that could be utilized out in the market, and then find seasoned business talent, and they come together in a part-time program initially to form teams and start building the business further.
Facilitators such as Enterprise Singapore are encouraging investments in deep tech startups through creating partnerships to form government equity co-investments and organizing deal-making sessions with VCs, family offices and angel investors in the region.